In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in your Wix website to get started. Open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you'll make all of the changes. So make sure you are on the correct website before continuing. Once the editor is fully loaded, look over to the left-hand side panel and click on Add Apps. This section gives you access to extra tools and features you can place directly onto your site. Next, use the search field inside the app market and type Wix Site Search. When it appears in the results, open it and click Add to Site. After that, give it a few seconds to install. Depending on your connection and the size of your site, this may take a moment, so just wait until the element appears in the editor. Once it's been added, you can begin positioning the search box. By default, Wix often places the search bar in your site header, so it stays visible across multiple pages, which is usually a good option for usability. If you want to change its placement, simply click and drag the bounding box to move it wherever you want on the page. You can also resize it to better fit your layout. Now click directly on the search bar element and open Settings. From there, go to the display options and change the placeholder text inside the bar. This is the text visitors see before they start typing. So make it clear and helpful. For example, you may want it to say something simple like search the site. While you are in the settings, turn on the option to show result suggestions. This helps users by displaying possible matches while they type, making the search experience faster and more intuitive. After that, move to the layout or design options, usually shown with layout controls or a paintbrush icon. Here you can customize the overall appearance of the search bar, including fonts, border radius, brand colors, text alignment, and how the search button behaves. Try to match these settings to the rest of your website so everything feels consistent and professional. Then go back into Settings and look for the Show on Search options. Turn on the Other Pages setting so the feature appears where you want it across the site. You can also enable the option to show hidden pages for SEO if that fits your setup. Finally, open the Reorder tab and drag categories up or down to control which content types appear first in search results. This is especially useful if you want important sections, like store items, to show up before other content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.